So this is how you can delete an Instagram account permanently. Make sure you open up the app and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right and make sure you are in Accounts Center. Once we're here, you're going to want to look for Personal Details. It should be under Account Settings, so simply tap on that, and here we are. Here you can find your contact info, your birthday, and the account ownership and control. Now simply tap on Account Ownership and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account, and now you can choose between deleting and deactivating. So, deactivating means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram, but it's not going to be permanently deleted. And by deleting, this one is permanent. So just simply tap on deleting, or if you think that deactivating is better and you just want to take a break from Instagram, you can do that as well. Now simply tap on continue at the bottom, and it should permanently delete your Instagram account. I think all you have to do is just type in your password and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.